Hi Virgo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or hindi po to 100% accurate sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa inyo Virgo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you. Mga blessings para sa Virgo. Ano yung mga gabay from the universe for Virgo, please? Energies, messages, gabay at mga blessings na paparating for Virgo. Virgo. Okay. Okay. You're thinking about partnership, okay? Parang you don't know what to do in your situation. Parang may kailangan kayong gawin na decision or choices. Or some of you, you are moving forward, no? Para sa inyong kapakanan, okay? You are working, you are living a situation na sa tingin nyo ay hindi naman nakakatulong sa inyo emotionally or hindi fulfilling para sa inyo. It may be related sa isang relationship or partnership. And now you're thinking about your options or your choices, no? Parang meron kayong kailangan pagdesisyonan. Yung iba sa inyo, yes. You want something new in your situation, no? Siguro parang pagod na kayo sa sitwasyon nyo or nahirapan ka na and you are making plans, no? Kung ano yung mga pwede mong gawin. Maybe umiiwas ka sa isang sitwasyon na hindi naman tama para sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Everything will be okay, no? Parang kailangan mo lang talaga siguro ng pahinga, siguro na stress ka din, okay? Yung iba sa inyo may kinalaman about yung sitwasyon nyo ay may kinalaman about dishonesty, deception, lies, cheating, no? In a situation, okay? Okay. Parang it's time for you to make a new direction, no? To take some action para magkaroon ka ng improvement, merong expansion or growth sa situation mo, most especially when it comes to work. Okay, so parang gumagawa ka ngayon or you are making a decision or a choice, no? Kung ano yung pwede mong gawin. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you're doing balancing act sa sitwasyon mo. You are doing a lot of things, no? You're thinking about an offer, an opportunity for you to expand and to grow. Okay? Maybe this is about work, no? Na inyong tinitingnan, pinagdidesisyonan. Okay? Yeah. After analyzing your situation. Okay? So, do not underestimate yourself or ang inyong kakayahan. So, be confident. For some of you, you feel na parang mahihirapan ka sa isang sitwasyon. Okay, so parang isang push na lang, no? And you will be okay. Alright? Just be confident, no? Do not give up in a situation. Most especially kung madami kang obligations, marami kang ginagawa, left and right, no? Yeah. That a time will come na magiging maayos din ang lahat para sa inyo, Virgo. Okay? Move forward ka lang sa inyong business or creative venture kung yun ang iniisip mo, pinaplan mo na pasukin. Yeah? Ito yung magbibigay sa inyo ng opportunity or a chance na makapag-earn, no? Maybe this one is a side hustle creative project, no, or business venture, creative venture, no, na inyong iniisip na pasukin. Okay, or sideline, something like that, or side hustle. Okay, you are manifesting your dreams. Parang it's time for you to take action, no? Take action para sa sarili mo. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, financially, you are well off or okay naman ang sitwasyon mo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo will be taking a vacation or will be having a vacation, no? And make time with your loved ones, no? For some of you, you will be generous to spend, no? For your loved ones. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be self-employed, no? Or kung meron ka mang negosyo, or if you are self-employed, you are really doing your best para magkaroon ng magandang income or magandang kita. Okay? Yeah. You are working very hard for it, no? Yeah, you will be financially secured and well off. Okay? Because of your abilities for some of you, because nag-take ka ng action mo. While at the same time, you are doing or making time with your loved ones. Okay? Yeah. So, magkakaroon ka ng stability when it comes to your finances. For some of you, you will be able to plan about your future, no? Yung stability and security mo. Parang madami kang pinaplano, pero yes, meron kang gustong i-implement or meron kang gustong gawin na aksyon. Okay? Pero kailangan mo pagplanuhan ng maayos at ng mabuti, no? Yeah, for some of you, you will be strategic. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are very intuitive, no? Meron kang gift, no? Spiritually. Or maybe you are a tarot reader also. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Tingnan natin. You are entering a period of expansion. So, you also, kung meron kayong mga gagawin na mga aksyon, no? Or decision, pakiramdaman mo ang iyong sarili, pakiramdaman mo ang isang sitwasyon. Be smart, be wise, no? Yeah. Parang alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo at kung ano yung nararapat para sa'yo or kung ano yung dapat na gawin. Something like that. Okay? Okay. Merong stability talaga, no, na para sa inyo, Virgo. Okay? A period of abundance and prosperity darating sa inyo. This is a surprise or unexpected, no? Or meron kang news na matatanggap, good news. Okay? And this is something that will bring stability and security when it comes to your money. Okay? Or, yeah, you will be receiving money. For some of you, merong pag-uusap, planning. Okay? Maybe this is about home, no? Or kung meron kayong plan na magpatayo ng bahay, something like that. Kung merong construction or repair ng bahay. Yeah. For some of you, you will have, you will be generous, no, to the people around you. Okay? Okay, yung iba sa inyo, if you are applying for a job, no, makakatanggap ka ng pabor, no, or you will be hired. And this is something na a surprise for you or hindi mo to in-expect, no? So, merong planning or merong interview or pag-uusap na mangyayari. Okay? Okay. Okay, tangible. You'll be receiving a gift. A big amount of money, new contract, new business, new job, or new career for you. Okay. That will bring security, no, sa inyo financially. So, merong swerte, no, na darating sa inyo. Fortune is on your side. Okay? Bibigyan ka ng pabor, ng pabor, no, ng universe. Okay? Yes, meron talagang good news na paparating. Yeah, for some of you, meron kang inner battle or merong challenge, no? Maybe about sa time. Okay, for some of you. Or you are conflicted about this job offer or new career. Okay? So, magkakaroon, yeah. So, parang maraming kang gagawin, no? Delays are over for you and it's parang bagong phase to or a new beginning to para sa inyo. Okay? Para madami kang asikasuhin or aayusin. Okay? You will be managing your time for some of you. Okay? This is busy time. Busy time for you. Okay. You will feel good kung ano man tong magandang pagbabago pagdating sa inyo. Okay. Magandang pagbabago na darating sa inyo. Okay. Yeah. Maybe for some of you, you are taking care, you are working with children or taking care of a child, something like that. And then merong pagbabago na mangyayari sa inyo. Merong happy blessing or happy times na darating. Okay? Yeah. Pinag-iisipan mo to ng mabuti, and for some of you, yeah, you will be communicating with someone na maybe an air sign, or this is someone na may mataas na position, maybe a leader, a manager, something like that. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are hoping and praying na maging maayos ang sitwasyon mo. Okay? May mga documents kang aayusin for some. Okay? Yeah. So, I think also kailangan mo din ng rest, no? Physically and mentally. And kailangan mong and at the same time may mga kailangan kang gawin or i-comply, no? Mga documents or requirements, something like that. Just take what resonates for you and i-leave mo lang yung mga hindi para sa'yo. Okay? Tingnan natin, ano pa? Yeah, merong good news talaga or offer, no? Na opportunity para sa inyo. May mga kailangan kayong gawin, no? Pagtrabahuhin. Okay? Or may bagong job ka na papasukin. Okay. For Virgo. And work, achievement, success. So, see? So, pagdating sa work, meron talagang achievement dyan. Meron kayong gagawin. This is a successful time for you. May kailangan ka lang ayusin for some of you. Documents or may mga gagawin ka, may mga aayusin ka. Alright? It will be, merong magiging busy ka, kumbaga. Okay? Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. Okay? Merong someone, maybe you are dealing with someone na matigas ang ulo. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, kalma lang. Most especially in dealing with this person. Firecracker, excitement. Okay? So, may mga exciting times na parating sa inyo. Exciting moments. Yeah. Maybe for some of you, you are excited for a new job or a new opportunity. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, this is a business venture. There is someone na tutulong sa inyo financially. Okay. Hot. You will be playing a different role. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, magkakaroon kayo ng isang posisyon sa trabaho. Maganda or mataas na posisyon. 3. Affairs with your family. Okay, may mga family affairs, no? Yeah, na merong excitement for some of you. Yeah. Okay. More message. One more message for Virgo, please. Virgo. Virgo. Oh no. For some of you, you will be analytical, no? Sa isang sitwasyon, no? Yeah. So, parang magka-contemplate kayo sa isang position, maybe about this blessing or about this opportunity. You will be contemplating about this, no? You will be analytical. So, avoid that, Virgo. Ask for what you want. Let the universe and other people know what you need. Okay? So, again, speak up, no? Speak up kung meron kayong mga questions, may mga concerns kayo. Maybe, kailangan mo i-express yun, communicate, no? So, kailangan mo din also ng clear thinking. Okay? And communication. Okay? Kung may mga tanong kayo, may mga concerns, no? So, ask question, no? Maybe this is a manager or someone na may a leader, no? Or maybe a boss, no? Na kailangan mong kausapin or kailangan mong tanungin. Okay? And, yeah, merong also negotiation na mangyayari dito. So, whatever you need, say it. Okay? At least na-express mo, na-express mo kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin. Okay? Alright, so Virgo, maraming salamat. These are the messages for you. All the best and see you on the next video. Bye!